Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Narendra. I have 8 years of experience in aptitude and reasoning topics. So today we will discuss about a questions on number system which I posted on the last week. Every day I will post a question in Facebook page having a name aptitude by Narendra. So if you want to get regular updates, you can like the page and you will get a solutions which are never seen before, because the solution is very important and what is the way we are following is very important. Few people followed a traditional method which kills the time in the exam. You have to save your time to success in the competitive examinations. That is very important. So last week I posted 6 questions from number system. We will see solutions today. Now let's start the first question. How many of the following numbers are divisible by 3 but not by 9? So here divisibility rules are very important. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits of the given number should be divisible by 3, and rule of 9 is sum of the digits of the given number should be divisible by 9. So here you have to consider which are divisible by only 3 but not by 9. So sum should be 9, don't consider it. Sum should be either 3 or 6 or 12 or 21, like that only we have to consider, because if sum is 9 it is divisible by 9 also. If sum is 18 it is divisible by again 9 also. So which are having numbers sum should not be 9 or 9 multiples, we have to consider it. Now observe the first one, 5310. Add the three numbers 5310. 5 plus 3 plus 1, 9. So it is divisible by 9, don't consider it. Next, observe the second number 4563. Don't add the complete number. I will give you one more method and simple way to calculate this. 4 5 add just a 9. If you add 4 and 5 it become 9, then leave that numbers. Then what are the remaining numbers? 6 and 3, this is also 9. So 100% it is divisible by 9. Don't calculate the total addition, it is divisible by 9, so we didn't consider the number. Next, 35632. Here also same, 6 plus 3 become 9, then don't consider these two numbers. 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10. So it is not divisible by 3, it is not divisible by 9 also, no need to consider that number also. Next, what is the third number? 56427. If you add all the numbers, how much it will become? 5 6 4 2 7. If you try to add the numbers, how much it will be? 7 plus 2 9, then leave it, then don't count it. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. 15 is not divisible by 9, but 15 is divisible by 3. So we have to count a number 56427. Is it divisible by 3? So one number we have 56427. Then if you check the remaining numbers, 45636 or 35632. 35632. If you add 6 plus 3 it become 9. Next, 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10. It is also not divisible by any one number, so it is also not our answer. Next, 63342. It is hard to add all the numbers. I given one more method. 6 plus 3 9, then leave these two numbers. 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9, then don't count these numbers. Remaining is 3 plus 4 plus 2, this is also become 9. So 100% it is divisible by 9, then don't count these also. The last number is 71415063. Now follow same approach. 71415063. 6 plus 3 become 9, then leave that numbers. 4 plus 5 become 9, then leave that numbers. The remaining are 711. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. So this sum is also divisible by 9, so don't count this number. So our answer is 2, which are 45636 and 56427. These are the only two numbers we have which are divisible by 3 but not by 9. Now let's go to the another one. So the second question, if the given 6-digit number 3452352A is divisible by 9, where a is a single digit. You have to substitute a single digit in the place of a. So what it is, we will apply same logic. 3 4 5 2 3 5 2 with a. So add the numbers which are total 9, then leave about it. 5 plus 4 9, then don't count these numbers. Here 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10 plus 3 13 plus 2 15. So 9 multiples are either 9 and 18. So it is more than 9. So after 15 the possible number is 18. So how much we have to add to get 18? 15 plus 3 become 18. So our answer is 3. Now next one. What is the greatest 6-digit number which is a multiple of 12? So which should be a multiple of 12? 12 in the sense, observe one thing. What is the 12 factors? 3 and 4. So 3 4s are 12. So if a number is divisible by 12 means 100% it should be divisible by both 3 and 4. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum should be divisible by 9. Sorry, sum should be divisible by 3. So observe the question, if the sum is divisible by 3 or not. And divisibility rule of 4, last 2 digits of the given number should be divisible by 4. Then the total number is divisible by 4. Without solving, based on the simple logic, we will calculate the answer. Observe it once. So sum should be divisible by 3. All are 9s in the first option, but having 84. 8 plus 4 12. So it is divisible by 3, and 84 is divisible by 4 means it is also divisible by 4. So first option satisfies. But what about the second option? Except for remaining all are 9s. So last we having 4. 4 is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 3. So B is not divisible by 4 also. Now coming to C, all are 9s. In the last we have 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Okay, first one condition satisfied. But what about 96? Last 2 digits are 96. Is 96 divisible by 4? Yes, 96 is divisible by 4. So option 1 satisfied, option 2 satisfied. In that they are asking greatest number. So here having 84, here 96. The greatest number is 96. So our answer is C. No need to calculate.